A geometric mirror, very stylish, you guys. If you're wanting to do something like this at home, you don't have to spend the $300+. You can just find a basic mirror. If you're really good and really handy, you could actually cut your mirror as well.
Wow, look at that.
Safety gear is important. You can see that there. So if you want that shape or a hexagon or something, you can do that. Otherwise, what we have here is this is just a square mirror, and then we put the film on. It's just a clear, matte, transparent film. Put it on the mirror here. Then you can tape out the lines of whatever the pattern is that you want. You grab an X-Acto knife. You just cut along the edges of what you've taped out, right along this. Here, pull it up.
And then you lift up the film.
You lift up the film, just like this. You can see all the way down there.
You're creating your template in reverse, because now once you peel all that off, you've got the template that will not get painted.
And then you spray what you pulled off. That's going to turn that frame to gold. And then Jonathan can show you guys.
That's awesome.
So, look at that.
And then right here at the end, you just pull this off here. Watch you don't get fingerprints all over.
Awesome.
This is very satisfying, this part.
Yeah. And then pull that up on the shelf. Pop it up.
Gorgeous. That is cool.